That'll do it for me, I think. Now let's go see what we got. Let's go down this way first. We still in action? Nice, very nice. Okay, so I'll be honest, I don't know if so the trail I was talking about, it's like one of these guys, like one of these little things behind the fence here. I think we can still do it, dude. I'll go down here and come back. Hopefully my brakes and stuff can dry out a bit more, because right now I honestly don't have very great braking power, so I'm kind of hoping that those. Ooh, I can do that. I don't know if you saw that on the side there, but there's a fucking drop. Alright, let me not get a bunch of sand and shit right back in here. Let me see if I could show you this fucking thing. That's it. I think that is it, yeah. Like, hell no. I don't know if you could tell, but that motherfucker is like straight the fuck up. I'll do it on a day where it's not wet. Now that I'm here looking at it, bruh, I don't know what this motherfucker's picking up, but that shit is steep as fuck. If I laid down flat on that, I could probably just put my arms behind myself and push myself up and stand up. There's not much flatness to that at all. That is steep as fuck. Yeah, see, even on that, like the fucking front wheel wants to come up, yo. Here it is from up top. I mean, honestly, it ain't that bad. Yo, that shit is straight the fuck down. No way. Not while it's all sandy like that. It's wet as fuck. If I do anything, it's just gonna just slide right down like a fucking mudslide. Oh shit. Oh shit. I think it's right here. Yeah. Big ass log in the fucking way. Oh, here we go. Oh, made it under that bitch. Can I make it up? Hi. Okay, I'm not gonna go down that, but you get it. You see that? That's steep as fuck. Not going down there. I think. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Wonder if I can get back under here. I'll go up this way this time. I think I actually have to go back around. Okay. Oh, get this way, bitch. There we go.